Howdy everybody, Phil here from Peterson Farms in Nashville. Today on location with Brayton from Outdoor Adventures with Brayton, and we're looking at installing this Super Winch LP 8500 by Super Winch. He just recently purchased this and put it on a mount with a hitch receiver. So we're going to install it onto his Ram 3500, and then hopefully, if everything works right, we're gonna yank that baby out after we cut it into pieces. Yeah, big white oak. And here comes the star of the show. What is that? Is that a Christmas present?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, DeWalt, that.
Nice.
I can shoot my possums
All
and
right.
raccoons.
Get to work.
Possums and raccoon shooter.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
All right, well, hang on.
It's a two-man job here.
I know it. We gotta make sure we get the shot. I don't want
Somebody gonna get shot on two.
All right, you ready?
I guess.
Oh. There you go.
Put the pin in. We lined up? What do you do?
Not lined up. Here.
Huh?
Can you get lined up?
I don't even know. I can't find the hole.
Should we go in or out?
I don't know. Should I go out? Should I go in? Here, look over there. I got all the wires stuck in the way.
Here.
What?
Oh my gosh. Are you looking?
Well, I'm trying to. I'm an old man.
Oh God.
My God, no, that's not any good now. A little bit more.
Which one?
In. Oh, too far. Just a little bit back. Whoa, right there. Try that. You go in?
It's starting to.
There, wiggle it. Wiggle it. Up and down. What's the deal?
Is it too small?
Oh, pull it out. No, that's perfect. Well, it is. We got three freaking things we gotta
There.
line up.
That's cute.
It is. That way I don't get shot, because it is deer season. Oh my God. If I get down here, I ain't gonna get back up. I told you, I'm an old man.
Oh. I hope the camera caught that.
No, he pushed in on it. Whoa. Right there. Oh, put your pin in. Oh my God.
Where is it? Yeah, I gotta get down.
I know. I told you. Frank should turn truck around. I ain't gonna be able to get up. Oh.
There. Pin is in.
Yeah. Hold on. Made it.
Good for you.
It's on my diet.
Yeah.
Low center of gravity.
Now where are you gonna run this wiring?
To the battery. That way.
All the way up front?
Yeah.
It's gonna reach?
Well, I would hope so.
So this is just a temporary.
Yeah.
So where does this go?
That comes up here too, or any ground. Find a good ground, that's good too. That way, while you're pulling, you can have your truck.
Yeah. I think we ate a little bit too much biscuits and gravy this morning.
I've opened that door. That hood. I don't know what's going on. Look at this. This is just friggin'. This is like a freaking Jeep awesome. I'm telling you.
Watch it blow up.
May. Blow up the damn car.
Alright.
Alright, let's see what happens. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that way, or
Yeah. What'd you do?
that's like won't stop.
Is that like a lock?
Well, that's free, and it's still free spinning.
Now you gotta tighten all that back up.
Just like
Oh, can I hold it? Oh, I see the truck moving my way.
you might want to bring it over here.
Oh. I ain't getting my finger caught in there.
All right.
Well, money well spent.
The thing left to do is cut an 8-foot section, put a chain around it, and see if it works.
Yeah.
Out there?
New wedge, new style wedge.
Right. Take every end you want. Alright.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah. I think this is where you need a tractor.
Huh?
This is where you need a tractor. Tractor would pull that out.
Oh yeah. Raise it up.
Yeah.
Speed it up.
Yep.
At least no winch works.
Yeah, winch works fine. Alright, so you can see the winch performed flawlessly. We were just asking it to do a lot. Pulling that 8-foot, what was that, about 24-inch diameter?
Probably. White oak.
White oak. Up this hill, which we were not going to get any further anyway, so we will go get the tractor. But until then, I'm Phil from Peterson Farms in Nashville. That's Brayton from Outdoor Adventures of Brayton. And we just do these kind of things so that friends, family, and future generations can look way back when and see what we did in the future. God bless y'all till next time.